series of number with and without carry using 8085 microprocessor. Okay, so these are all your aim. Then algorithm you have to write for without carry as well as with carry. Okay, so the same as well as, so you have to write the separate program for with carry and without carry. Okay, so same thing you have to do for flowchart. Okay, so flowchart for with carry, then there will be flowchart for without carry. Okay, so first let's see. So this is your with carry operation. Okay, actually in the table top of the table it is given as without carry, but that is wrong. Actually this is the table for with carry. So with carry addition is same as your 16-bit addition. No need to worry for anything. Okay, so only the total will be have a, the total means the output will have a 3-digit. So the third digit will be coming in the next address bus. Okay, if it is 0100 means, so it will be like 0001. Okay. If you given anything wrong output means, okay, instead of see, if instead of 0D if you are given 0A or something means, so you can use this key, deduct key. Okay, so over the next key, so I will deduct key. So use the deduct key, then go to the use the deduct key, then come give next, then you can change the value. Okay, so no need to worry if you put, so no need, what I'm saying is, no need to give reset key. Okay, then you need to start from the first. You can use the reset key, you can use the deduct key and reset key. Okay, so sir, you can ask me, sir, if I wrongly press the reset key, so everything will be erased or not. Okay, so that is not a problem. So if you give reset key also, so after giving 4107 you given reset key wrongly. Okay, so you don't need to worry. Okay, if you you can directly go to 4107, then you can continue the program. Program is successfully executed. So I now I can get the output. Okay, so 5 substitute 5 000. Okay, then 0001. Okay, so if you are adding these numbers, you will get 100. Okay, so 100, so here the carry is 1. Okay, so you will get this first term, these 2 digits. Okay, so these 2 digits as first. Okay, then this one will be the carry. Okay, so we will get 01. Okay, so the process is called with carry. Okay, so the third digit will be coming in the next address bus. Okay, so that is a with carry. Okay, stop. So this is the table for without carry operation. Okay, same as you have done in last experiments, you have to start from 4100. Okay, so in between that everything will be the same as 16-bit addition. Okay, let's do how to do it in our kit. Okay, some of the values are already there because I have tested this kit. Okay, so if there is anything is missing means we can give it. By 4E 23 7E 0D 23 then 46. Before executing the program, we need to give input values. In the without carry operation, you can see the number of inputs. So we need to give the input as 79. So the total will be 79. In the input, you can see the first number will be our count. Okay, so how many input values you are going to give? So I have given 6. So I need to give 6 input values. Okay, so where I need to start is which is given in the table. Okay, where I loaded the H register initially. Okay, so 450006. Okay, then I will give the input values which is in the which is written here. Okay. And correct value. Okay, so then 061101. Okay, so we have given the input. Now we have to execute the program. Okay, so the thing will be, so go initial address bus. Okay, then execute. Okay, so it's like GIE. So go initial address bus, then execute. Okay, so go initial address bus is 4100, then execute. Okay, the program is successfully executed. Okay, so now go to the step to get the output. Okay, so now we can get the output, so because the program is successfully executed. Okay, so here you can see the output. You should get it in 4300. Okay, so in 4300 you should get 79. Okay, so sub 4300, so you get 79. Okay, it's the same answer which is in the output. Okay.